Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
And I'm Jennifer. We're gonna make a recipe that you can make easily with just a few ingredients out of your pantry or your fridge today, and we hope you have some of these ingredients and you can make it too. Today we're going to make Southern fried hamburger potato casserole. It's so easy and it's in one skillet and you're gonna love it. So here we go. Let's get started.
So first thing we're going to do is slice up 4 potatoes.
And these are just your Yukon Gold potatoes. And I'm slicing them really thin and getting them all ready to go. And then
here comes our sweet onion.
This was a big onion, so I just decided to chop it in half here because it's quite a bit.
We love these onions.
Oh yeah, love sweet onion. And I'm just gonna slice these long ways, chop them up a little bit. And yeah, I just want to chop them up in a little bit smaller pieces. We got our skillet on medium heat.
And we're cooking up 4 slices of chopped bacon. That smells good.
I love bacon. Yum.
I love bacon. About anything.
So I'm going to take a slotted spoon and I'm just going to scoop this out. Put it on a paper plate.
So we're going to set that aside.
Just put them on these paper towels here.
And then we're going to add our sliced potatoes and the bacon drippings.
And this is just going to flavor these potatoes up really nice. I like to just brown them a little bit and it helps cook. And also you won't have to leave it in the oven quite as long. So, you know, I like to just get a little brown on each side of it.
Don't you just love the way these potatoes smell?
I do. It's so good.
Especially in this cast iron skillet.
Yes. Cast iron skillets make everything taste good. So I'm just going to scoop these out and put them on that same plate that we had the bacon on. Right on that paper towel.
I love all this.
And that reminds me of breakfast.
Now we are adding in our sweet onions that we so dearly love.
Yes, we do. Just gonna get those going, and then I'm going to grab 1 pound of lean ground beef.
And for all you who are new to this channel, we want to welcome you and welcome back to our regular folks. Glad you're here with us. I love that chopper, don't you, Jen?
Oh, I do.
By the way, the link for the chopper is down below the description box.
Absolutely, if you want to pick yourself up one. And we also have like this handle for the skillet right down below also, and everything we use in our recipes are starting to go right down below, so check that out. Now that I got this browned up.
And then we are going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup.
I saw you post the other day about never underestimate a woman who has cream of something in a crock pot or something like that. I was laughing. Sheila made a post on Facebook or something about that.
I love that. Never, never, never. That is so funny. Going to add a little milk.
Just a little bit. Mix that together. Hey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like these recipes and you like what we're doing. We appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe. And then I'm going to add back in our potatoes and the bacon back into the skillet.
I could make a meal off of that by itself. Oh, I love that. Oh,
I know. Who doesn't love bacon and potatoes? Yum.
Stir all that together.
Yeah. Mix that back in. Just get it kind of mixed. I'm going to add just a little bit more.
Add a little more milk. Probably only going to be about a half a cup altogether.
Yeah, I'm not going to use this whole cup because it'll be too liquidy by the time, you know, we put this in, and I don't think it's going to absorb all that, so I'd rather have it a little bit thicker. So we're going to top it off.
Then comes the cheese. The best thing is the cheese.
That's right. We like cheese. And this is just shredded cheddar cheese.
We love our cheese.
Mm-hmm. This is about 2 cups of cheese.
And cover that up. And a few sprinkles of green onions.
Just a few chopped here and there for some flavor.
And then off to the oven we go. It's preheated at 350 degrees.
And we'll be back.
And it's been about 20 minutes. Now we are going to add a little bit of cheddar jack shredded cheese.
Adds a little color.
This is optional if you want it or if you don't. We just like cheese.
Exactly.
We love our cheese.
We'll let that melt for about 5 more minutes.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
This looks and smells like something you would want to eat 7 days a week.
I could.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
It's got my name written all over it.
Me too.
I love it, love it, love it.
All
Yeah,
right.
dip me up some here, Jen.
I am. I'm scooping it out of here.
Oh.
Let's take a look at that.
Potatoes, bacon,
Yum.
cheese.
Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong there. Mm-mm.
Mm.
Plus, it's all out of one pan.
Yes.
Skillet.
Exactly.
Wait, yes, we gotta have a little sour cream.
Yes, don't forget.
We love our sour cream too.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
And as Steve would say, is this the best Southern fried hamburger potato skillet?
If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun.
Hey, don't forget to pick up the brand new cookbook, The Best of Cooking with Shotgun Red, Volume 2, featuring appetizers, breakfast, buns, breads, rolls, burgers, sandwiches, casseroles, chili, soups, stews, dinner time favorites, pasta dishes, pickled, wild game, and more.
That's a mouthful.
The link is in the description box below. Order yours today.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.